Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you or I'll introduce a app. It's called a Reelshort stream drama, and it's really famous and popular application. So you can see the name of the Reelshort. You can search it on the Google Play Store or App Store to get this app, and 4.1 rating of the app, and 203k reviews, 37 megabyte size of the app, and 10 million plus people already use this app. So you can see not enough time to finish a movie. Try a Reelshort. Every second is drama. So if you want to get the main things or highlights of any drama, then you can get here like a reel. So exclusive series we will love again, and you will see like many personalized recommend, unlimited entertainment, new series weekly, so free rewards. I enjoy great stories. So you can see stories is like a social media. And if you want to learn more about this app, then go here. Not enough time to finish movie. Reelshort is next generation HD streaming platform featuring exclusive vertical TV shows. The app is released 2022, only 2 years, and 10 million people plus already download this app. Like if you want to see some ratings and reviews, you can come here like rating, and you can see for some positive reviews. It's amazing to watch nice movies there, but it's annoying when you would have to get more coins. So it means that it's not totally free, so you have to need coin to watch the whole series. And if you want to see negative reviews, great concept, was super excited till I realized the clip were not very long. I tried to give it a chance watching ads to be able to unlock videos. So you can use it. I will create more video how to use this application and upcoming tutorials. Okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.